We often hear phrases like, it's meant to be, or it's written in the stars. While the idea of destiny provides comfort and structure, it also raises an important question. If everything is predetermined, where does free will fit in? A more grounded perspective is this instead. Destiny is not a fixed outcome, but a potential. It represents a strong possibility based on your inherent traits, circumstances, and timing. However, a possibility only becomes reality through action. Consider a simple analogy. There is a path from point A to point B. Destiny may indicate that reaching point B is highly favorable for you. But if you never begin the journey from point A, that outcome will never materialize. The potential exists, but the choice is to act, and that is yours. The same applies to human potential. Someone may have all the qualities required to become an exceptional doctor, but if they choose a complete different path, maybe like accounting or something similar, that potential remains unrealized. This doesn't negate destiny, but it highlights the decisive role of free will. It's also worth acknowledging that certain life events such as birth, death, and to some extent even marriage are often considered part of a larger cosmic framework. However, beyond these anchor points, most aspects of life are flexible and shaped by conscious choice. Career paths, personal growth, relationship, and achievements are all significantly influenced by our awareness and decisions. In this sense, destiny can be viewed as a dotted outline, not a fixed script. Free will determines whether we follow that outline, reshape it, or ignore it entirely. This is where tools like astrology and numerology come into relevance. Rather than dictating outcomes, they serve as guiding systems. They help identify patterns, strength, challenge, and favorable directions, essentially pointing towards areas where your potential is strongest. Think of them as a compass. They don't decide your destination, they simply provide direction. The responsibility to act, adapt, and choose remains entirely yours. Ultimately, destiny and free will are not opposing forces, they work in tandem. Destiny presents possibilities, free will determines outcomes. The real question then is not whether something is meant to be, but whether you are making choices that align with your highest potential. What is your take on this subject? Let me know in the comments.